how's everybody doing? I'm doing well. I hope everyone is staying safe and doing well themselves. I'm Amy, and I'd like to welcome anybody that is new here and welcome back everybody that's returning. Today we are unboxing a new box on our channel. It is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. It's the AIA box. But before we jump into all of that and telling you some more about it, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become part of our family. We'd sure love to have you. And while you're at it, click on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And I do happen to upload quite a bit, actually. If you like unboxings and you like looks videos and mystery boxes and things like that, please hit that like button. So, okay, you guys, I have to read it to you. So the AIA Beauty Bundle is the first ever bi-monthly subscription bundle giving you exclusive access to influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer and their 5 to 6 full-size beauty products based on their passion and expertise, ranging from makeup, skincare, and hair care. Every bundle is valued over $100 for only $34 and free shipping in the US. And with each bundle purchased, $1 is donated to City of Hope for Cancer Research and our fight against the COVID-19. That is what the beauty bundle is about, and this is April and May's box. And this box is a Guy Tang box, you guys. So we're getting some products from Guy Tang. And I am excited to jump into that and see what we received for our $34. And I do have to throw out a little disclaimer. You may hear some doggy noises in this video, so I am sorry for that, but I have 3 little doggies. There's one now, and they are on my bed behind me, and so and they are trying to play with each other right now. So, and my littlest one just wants me. My littlest one is, she's a little applehead chihuahua. She's an apple deer head mix, but she's got the apple head and the deer head ears. And she was the runt in her litter, and so she still looks like a little puppy and maybe weighs about 3 pounds. And so she is just the most adorable thing. And I will probably pop a picture of her up on the screen. So, all right, let's get into this box and see what we received for the April and May box with Guy Tang being the curator or the influencer. All right, so it says AIAawards.com, and I love this box. I think this box is just gorgeous. So when you open it up, if I can get it, oh, they taped the sides too. Let me undo those or open those. I think I got it this time. All right. Whoa. Okay. I just got stuff dropping left and right. Sorry. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this inside, and it says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you." And I love that. That is so cool. And so there's a sneak peek, and all right. So here's our card, and it's hashtag my identity at Guy Tang. And it says, "I created my identity because I want to create a line that brings back the fun and excitement in our industry. But most of all, I want to create a community that empowers our hashtag hair bestie family and enable all of us to find my identity, because when you know who you are, you have the courage to do anything you dream of. XOXO Guy Tang." So that is him right there. And then on the other side, we have all of our products and pricing. So let's get into this. Yay! I'm so excited. All right, so the first thing I am pulling out, is the my identity at Guy Tang, hashtag my spotlight. So it is the My Spotlight Spray Rose Gold Shimmer Spray. Adds dimensional rose gold shimmer, detangles and smooths, improves manageability, and adds shine. And this retails for $28. And I think mine leaked just a little bit. The back is kind of, yeah. So, all right. So I just have, yeah, it leaked some. But that's okay. It didn't leak too much. I know that on another unboxing I saw that it was filled pretty much to the top, but it didn't leak that much, so I think we're good. And so, yeah, it is a detangler and smoothing, and it improves manageability, and it adds shine. And look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And it's just a regular spray. Ooh, whoa, okay, hold on, it leaked all over in there. Let me grab a rag or a little wet wipe and clean it off really quick all over my hands. So my hands are very soft. Oh no, it's leaking really bad if I turn it on its side. I think it's leaking out the lid, like where the sprayer is, because it was on there pretty tight. So I guess I just won't turn it. But let's see how this spray is. Oh, that's a nice spray. Okay, that is a nice spray. And yeah, so we have a shimmer spray and detangler. All right, let's move on, and hopefully nothing else is leaking. All right, the next thing I am pulling out is my Confident shampoo, and there's also my Confident conditioner. So there's those. And I've heard that these are color safe because it says massage into wet hair after bleaching, toning, or coloring for increased color, longevity, and vibrance. So they are color safe. Let's read up on this. All right, so the My Confident shampoo and conditioner is $22.50 each. Prolongs color tone and vibrancy up to 50 shampoos. Sulfates, paraben, and sodium chloride free, detangling, and adds shine. So I am really excited to give these a try. Really excited. So the next thing we have in the box is the My Hair Lube. I've never heard of hair lube. I have never heard of hair lube before. Let's see what it says. The My Hair Lube Hair Finishing Lubricant. Reduce breakage by 98%, controls frizz and flyaways, improves shine, manageability, and smoothness. So this retails for $32. And let's see, what does this say? Add or apply 1 to 2 pumps on towel dried hair from mid-length to ends for added shine and vibrancy. Apply to dry hair. All right, so we have a hair lube. And the last thing in the box is the My Quick Blow Spray. The My Quick Blow Spray Protecting Quick Dry Spray. It retails for $28. It reduces blow dry time, protects against heat, damage, and breakage, adds shine, and reduces frizz. Okay, you guys, so I will add everything up, pop it up on the screen so you can see just how much our box was worth for our $34. But let's recap everything we received. So we received the My Quick Blow Spray. Sounds funny. Sorry. Oh, man. Okay. And then we received the My Hair Lube. We received the My Spotlight, and that is just so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. And then we received the My Confident shampoo and conditioner, and I love that they give you both. I love that it's shampoo and conditioner and not just one. You know, that just, I personally cannot wash my hair and just do shampoo. I always have to do conditioner too. That's just how my hair is, and I'm excited to give this a try because my hair needs it. So we received 5 items, and I am going to try these out a couple of times, and then I'm going to do a review video on them, so look out for that. But that is it for our AIA Beauty Bundle. X Guy Tang. I sure hope that you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what you think about all these products. Do they sound interesting to you? Do you want to give them a try? And or have you got this box? I would love to know down below in the comments. I want to know. I'm nosy like that. All right, you guys, that is it. If you want, all my information for my social media and stuff is down below if you want to follow me on there. And then until next time, I love ya, and you guys are awesome. And I'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye.